Hey guys, this is a client. She came by to give me a deposit for a job that we're going to do. And she told me, she said, Courtney, I've been scammed so many times, but it's always a company that don't have an office location. And I wanted to just come by your office, even though it said you had one on Google Maps. She found me from my reviews and she wanted to come by to give me the check and just to see that I'm a real company. She said, Courtney, this made me feel so much better. So this is what she's bringing me the check right now. Hold on, guys. Oh, the art that sign's got at the front. Yeah. So that's a good thing about me. If you notice, I got, like you said, I got an office like the other companies. You don't know who they are.
Barely got good sense.
I know, right?
Did you do any pictures of my floor?
Yeah. Well, we got the video, but we're gonna get the after pictures when we get the stain down.
Okay.
Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yep.
This is nice.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Well, I thank you, Miss Rachel, for trusting me with your project.
Well, I thank you for trusting me with the check, but you don't take that.
Yeah, I really don't. But yeah, thank you so much.
You know I ain't gonna not thank you.
I got you. All right, Miss Rachel, thank you again. You're welcome. Yeah, well, you let me know when you're ready to do the quote on the other two houses, and we'll knock those out for you. But let's do them after the 4th of July, because I'm booked out for the rest of the week. So I come give you some estimates next week. Thank you. All right, guys, so you see that? Customer came and gave me a check for a job. And like she said, man, she said, Courtney, she's had such a bad experience with other companies that she don't know who they are. She don't know where they're located. And that's one thing about me, guys. I try to set everything. You know, I've had clients call me all day. Today's been a busy day, by the way. But I've had clients say your videos, your reviews. And I actually had a client that said, man, I see that you train other people how to do this. And then here it is, Miss Rachel said, Courtney, I just wanted to come by just to see your office and drop off the check. So there it is, guys. So always creating those trust factors for your potential clients, because it makes them feel a lot safer. You know, when here it is, a $5,000 job, she wants to feel secure than just giving out that money to somebody and not knowing who they are, not knowing if they're a real company. I've had clients say, Courtney, I've went to Google and I've Googled Secretary of State to make sure you're a legitimate company. I have clients, especially in the downtown, those condos, they require insurance paperwork. So I get my state form to email them my insurance. So guys, that's one of the things that really separates a company that knows their value, and also a company that sometimes charges more than another company because of our cost of business. But I will say a lot of clients really appreciate that when they know they're dealing with a legitimate company. All right, guys, enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks for watching.